themselves, but taking them all for granted. You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear